Hello and what's up? Today I will show to you how to change the color so check everything. Use saturation, then colorize. And in saturation, we have to move this slide. You can see it will change the color now. So it's up to you what color you want. So that is the procedure, no? So I hope you get this step and do it in your own t-shirt. So that's all, and hope you like our tutorial today, and don't forget to subscribe, to like and share our channel. Okay, thank you and bye bye.